Hi, welcome to SMAT Kalokan warehouse. This is our ready stock area. Most of the time we will have diesel generator and concrete pump ready stock here, ready for your pickup.
This is SMAT spare parts storage area. We have most of parts in stock, so that anytime when you need, we can deliver to you right away without delaying of your project.
Worry about your machine problem? Always call our local team. We will go right away to your sites.